Good evening. This is Adarsh from Manipal University Student Chapter, India. So our outreach kit is a portable telescope. So we know that astronomy is one subject which makes everyone think about what exactly like universe is made up of, and this is the one subject which is actually related to optics, where one can get interested in optics. So our major agenda was to hit the audience, not only the school children or the college, but also the general public. So we thought of having a telescope for the outreach session, and me basically being an amateur astronomer, I have a 12-inch telescope, but I couldn't carry this everywhere because it was very bulky and it's very difficult to take it everywhere for the outreach program. So we thought of building our own telescope, and so this is a 6-inch telescope. The mirror what I've used here, the objective mirror is 6-inch aperture, and the focal length is 42 inches. Like from this point to this point, it's 42 inches. So it's a f8 telescope, and this is the eyepiece holder over here. And you can put like any magnification for the eyepieces over there. And this is a very, this mount is called as a Dobsonian mount, and the telescope system what I'm using is a Newtonian reflector. So Dobsonian mount, what is the advantage is like you have very easy azimuthal rotation, and also the altitude, like you can easily move it around. So if your object is over there, so you can just put it over here and then do it. And if your object is on the other side, you just pull off this and make this movement to get the point over there. And one more thing about this is like the whole thing can be dismantled and put it in a box. Like this box can hold the whole telescope, and these rods they might look huge, but these are again dismantleable, and they can put in a box like this. So your whole telescope kit is in this thing. So the major advantages. The amount what I have spent for this is around only $100. Like I bought both the mirrors for around $70, and the wood part and all came around $30. And for a country like India, where we are dependent on the other countries for all the optics and things, so we basically get telescopes imported. But by this we are making people like build their own telescopes. So at least get the mirror from outside, but you can build your own system, and it is completely portable, right? And we have this Oregon Star Party coming up like in next 10 days. So I'm taking this to there. So it's like getting your telescope from India and taking it over USA. So this is the main advantage of this technology. And as of now, we have already hit like around 250 students in India, and we are trying to make more outreaches as well. And I can show you a pic of the moon what we have clicked with this telescope. So this is the telescope setup when it is all dismantled. And at first we weren't sure what that. And this is the pic of the moon. Click with the same. So if I use a eyepiece of around 4.7 mm, this gives a magnification around 225x, and with the 8.8 mm eyepiece, this gives around 120x. So that's the whole telescope system all about. And f8 telescope is known for its magnification, and it's very good for all planetary observations. So if you look at the Saturn, you can easily see the rings. If you look at the Jupiter, you can also see the moons around Jupiter. So that's it.